happy Saturday to all of you guys. Yeah. It's been a while, so matagal tayong hindi nakapag-live, hindi tayo nakapag-upload ng videos, so busy lang talaga guys. At syempre, ginagawa natin yung ating corporate job. Yeah. Hindi nakapag-upload ng mga welding videos natin. So still, I'm here to of course, show you my current project, guys. So this is my current project. It is my uh, long time ago na uh, pangarap na I want to build something that I can use, or maybe in the field of welding technology education, uh, can use in a industry, in an industry. Yeah. So, matagal na to guys, pinaplano ko. Kaya, sabi ko sana magawa ko. So, I incorporated it into uh, my program study. Yeah. So that, syempre, maano tayo, motivate. Yeah, di ba? And of course, para makatulong din sa ating uh, trabaho, diba? If you have something na ganito, so makakatulong tayo. But still, sana magawa pa rin in uh, right time, diba? Kasi it's been a while na hindi ko ito napapagpatuloy. So binigyan lang po tayo ng almost ano, 6 months to do this. But apparently, so hindi po natin nagawa into 6 months. So I am currently uh, doing this to finish uh, today sana, ano, this month, this November. Kaya lang madaming trabaho ang naibabato sa atin, madaming gawa, busy, dagdag mo pa ang mental health, di ba? So medyo we are in the not good situation. So kaya yan, maging aware tayo. So, siguro sa sobrang dami ng ginagawa, yan, kaya nagiging unstable yung mental health natin. But go lang tayo ng go. Diba? So, this is my project. So, my project is all about instructional technology and welding. So, I'm making this device. It's called welding apparatus, ano, jig, and fixtures in welding. So, meaning, if you use this equipment or this tools or device, you will be enjoying, or you will be using some collaborated pictures on welding education. So because in welding education, like shielded metal arc welding, so we have uh, jigs, we have clamps, we have welding table, we have cabinet, PPEs, etc., etc., etc. So, in one setting, so all of those that I mentioned a while ago will be incorporated in this device. So, nandito na lahat. If you want to prepare your materials, so you can use this. If you want to store your materials or PPEs, you can use this. If you want to welding different position in flat, horizontal, vertical, overhead, and plate welding, so you can use this. If you want to weld a pipe welding, horizontal, vertical, overhead, 5G, sa 2G rotate, 6G rotate, 5G rotate, so you can use this. So that's the essence of this equipment that I'm building. So it is very tasky and very kumbaga it's difficult to accompany all that all that features in one setting, and you need to be specific, and you need to make a room for everything. So that's the challenge. So one of I will build today is this uh, jig. So this jig is all about uh, the clamp, the jig for plate welding, pipe welding. So you can use this one. Then the additional features when you are fitting the uh, materials, when you are going to use the different positions, you can uh, use the dial. So I have, or I make a dial here so that we can figure which is 45 degrees, which is uh, 90 degrees, 180 degrees. So actually you can turn this, and you can turn this one. Then if you are turning this one, so maybe you can lock. So I put lock here, no, yan. Then so also, this one, it will rotate on a arm so that you can position it whatever position you want. You may be in flat position, horizontal position, 45-degree position, 90, 60, yeah. So you can turn it 360 degrees. So this one, this small but terrible device that I'm building. So I use also a interlocking connection. Yan. So you can put a pin so that it will not slip. And aside from the pin, so I used yan bolt and nut to lock into an arm. So the arm, what I'm talking about is this one. So this is the arm. Yeah, this is the arm. So it will goes here like this, like this. Yeah. Then you can turn it one, dan. So like that. Okay. Then also this arm is extendable. So you can extend it like this. Then there is a hole in it so that we can lock it properly and will not slip when you are doing your welding works and uh, welding. Okay, so you can see. So this is the arm. So there is a bolt and nut for us to interlock this from this tube. Okay, from this body. So that's all, guys. So let us do the task. All right, let's do this. For the meantime, so I will perform a job welding because I need to fix this. So this is my bolt and nut that I will use to hold whatever we want to clamp here in this jig, right? Then so this will the one who will lock it, ano po. So I will put it here like this, so that it will appear like a clamp. Okay, so there's a hole here. So what I'm performing today is I will welding it here, I weld it here and there. Okay, so before I weld it there, so I need to fix this one. Yeah, so I will fix this so that it will be, or this one uh, need to be strong, ano? This is the more stronger uh, base than this one, because uh, the bolt will push the material over here. So we need this one to be more stronger. Okay, so let's go. So I already patch the hole here because this is for the oil, so that if we turn this one, so it will mix smoothly. And of course the lock nut, which will interlock here, so I already patch with masking tape so that it will not uh, uh, it will not be plug or put unstopper or spatter there. And so we'll build this one. Let's go. So the only machine I use is Shinshitsu Eco 220, I 210. I mean, so this one I advertised, or I already unboxed in my previous videos, which is one of the best welding machine. Yeah. So it is affordable, 50-50. So if you have a budget, so it is affordable. So today it is ranging only for, I think, 15k 15k. So if you have a budget, so that's good. That's good item. No? But if you are short, so we can or you can choose other brand, right? But for me, as I use that one in the training, so in a training setting in TESDA, so like for me, I am a teacher or trainer in welding NC1 and 2. So uh, I already tested that kind of machine. So it has a self-reliance, heavy duty, and of course uh, it will give you the amperage that you need when you are welding a thick metal, because in solid metal arc welding, so we are using uh, schedule 80 and pipe welding, and uh, 12 mm down to 10 mm, you know, or the uh, the thicker plate that we are welding is 12 mm. So it will give you enough power to give you a good weld. So that's it. So let's go. Let's weld this one. So I will use just a uh, 6013 and 6011. So I will just patch this one, and we're good to go. So I need a 6011. So I will right back. I will just get a 6011. Hello, I'm back. So the reason why I will use E611 for this one is to have a complete penetration. So that's why I need to use the E611 for deep penetration. Okay. So let's go. Let's try. It is good. So the tape is burning. So let's see if there's no movement. Okay, there's no movement. Then let's proceed to the next one. This side. Okay. Then we will repeat it for at least three several times. No? Three more times. So that it will build a volume that will hold the pressure when we are uh, using the bolt to hold the piece that we need to put in here, right? So let's continue. So what I uh, like in E6011 is that it will give you a not a smooth finish, but a uh, thin, not thin actually, thin or that's right, thin uh, in a surface, but deep inside, right? So that's the good thing with A6011. And of course, this is fast pace, so it is easy to, not easy in the term of it is sticky, but it easy to uh, uh, because you don't need to clean it thoroughly. Even you have a uh, dust, rust, or any uh, incompetent on your weld, so you can use E611, then uh, thoroughly, so the dirt will be come aboard. That's the good thing about E611. You see, you see, you see, you see. So small amount of slag that we can see here, but you can see it's very good, right? Appearance is good. Uh, right. Another one. This one. It got short. It's smoking, baby. So the tape came out. So I need to put another tape. It's hot today. It's so hot. It's so hot. So that is just my protection for the spatter, so that the spatter will not go inside the thread of the lock that I put there. So that is only the purpose of that. That's enough. So I think that's enough build up for that one. Alright, alright. Alright. So you can see, yeah. So that is not yet clean, yeah. But you can see the good weld over there, right? So maybe I will brush it first. Hi, I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. Okay, so we'll use the brush to clean it out. To clean it out. To clean it out. Where's my... Oh, where's the glasses? Not here. Wala. So we'll be right back. So I am running over because uh, my tools is over there and I forgot my plies. Actually, I already put those tools that I'm using here in my working area, the tools, but I forgot this one. And the classroom that I'm maintaining is three. One here, this is supposedly the grinding area for students or training, and the other room is for laboratory area for there to weld their uh, workpiece, like plate welding, pipe welding. So this is the next room. Yeah, this one, and then the other room is for lecture area. So over there, maybe it's a 50 meters. No, that is not 50. Mini 20 meters. Mga like that. Okay. So let's see if my hinang is still good. So this is my weld, right? So in E611, that is not smooth as 6013 and 7018, but if your manipulation and your stroke is correct, so you can make a finish like this one. So that is my hinang, right? You see it? Okay, that's it. Let's proceed. So before I weld this one to here, Ariko, it's hot, Ariko, it's hot. So I will put it here like this. All right. So I will put that one here. Okay. So this will be the clamp or the jig that will hold the workpiece of a trainee. All right. So I'll put it here. Put it here. So hopefully, yeah. So before I fix it there, so I need to cut it down a little more. All right, this is the moment. This is the moment. So I put it here. Like this one. Okay, so we'll just balance it. Okay, let's make a line. All right, so let us put it here like this and like that, like this and like that. All right. Okay, so it's good to go. So before we weld, so we need to patch this hole because this is important. So because here in this tube, so I put a bearing here so that I can turn this one like this and like that. That's why we need to uh, put an oil here. So we need to patch that with a maybe a uh, wood or a sand so that it will not patch by a spatter. So I will find a ting ting. Yeah. Wala na yung viewers natin. My viewers is gone. So I put it here over there. Okay. Oh, it's very fragile. Two. Two, two. Two. All right. And let's weld it. So in tacking, I will use a 60-30 only. For smooth transition, so I need to use a 13. Right? Let us see. Goody. It's been flushed down into the window. So by the way, the measurement here from here is 1 inch, so that we can hold a small piece of pipe and also a large measurement of pipe. So in shielded metal arc weldings, we are using 4 inches, 5 inches, and 6 inches. So that is the only limitation that this jig can hold. So at least that three type or kind of sizes uh, can hold by this jig, right? So let's go. Oh my. Mistake. There's no ground, man. That's the only thing. You need to fit this one by cha-cha-cha, ow! It's been tanggal. So maybe we can put a heavy tack on it that it will not remove. Right? Ah, it's heavy, man. Right. It's fine. All right, it's good to go, man. Let's tuck it, tuck it, tuck it, tuck it, tuck it. I'll go inside, tucking. There's a small fraction of it. Other side. It's learning. Then let's weld it or final it with A6011. Oh, it's big. It's making sticky, guys. Oh. Oh, it's the success. All right, it's a success then. Let's flip it over. Right. So the good thing with A611, even there is so many spatter, there is so many slag over there, so you can use it without any cleaning at all. So that's the good thing about A611. All right. So I will final it, guys. So let's make this final once more. So again, A611 or so it's done. Right. All right. It's done, guys. So I will just cut another small piece here so that it will uh, uh, yan, the same with this one, then I will put a if I already clear this one, so I put a uh, bolt and nut here, then hold the piece, then this piece is finished. All right. No, not yet finished pala, because I have so many thing to do with this one because I need to full weld it here, this one and this one, and then the upper one. All right, so that's it. That's it, Pansit. All right, all right, all right. done. It's full weld made. This is done. So full weld na yan, guys. Full weld na yan. So I'll just cut this one. And then the arm. I'm going to pull the arm. This one. So I need to weld this one. Yeah, this one. So again, 6011. Gamit natin. Just a little more. Just a little more, more, and more. So after this one, cleaning na lang, guys. Then we're done. We're done. We're done. Look. That's that's the hinang that we made. Alright. So, yan. Then the final is there. This one. So I think this is malamig na. Pa rin. But still, we can use this one. And put it here. Or we can use a smaller or shorter, I mean. So this is the bolt that I need to use that I will be using. So this is the nut that will hold this bolt, and the bolt will hold the workpiece that we need to clamp over here. Alright, so I will just tuck it here like this one. Alright. So we will not tuck it fully or full weld it over, because sometimes bolt and nut were uh, run out and cross thread. So the purpose is to make easy for the technician or a trainer like me to remove and replace the bolt. Alright, so that's the idea. So that's why we are just stacking it, not permanently, or pull welding it into the jig, So, because that is one of the uh, consumable that this jig is need to be replaced. So all parts are uh, good, or permanent. So, but the thread or the bolt, they were just used, or uh, kumbaga, it is will be served only for I think if the user is maintain it correctly and rigorously, so it will last for at least many years. But of course, in my experience, some of my students are very too aggressive, too risky. So they will keep on tightening the nut even if it is reaches into its limit. So that's why it become cross-threaded. All right. So the technique when you are using the jig, so you just need a right amount of force to fix or to tighten the nut, because when we are welding, in the process of welding, so the workpiece is clamped here, so meaning it is bakal, it is metal, so meaning the heat transferred no over the jig. So meaning this is metal, so it will also heated. So when material is heated, so whenever or whatever kind of material it is, when it is heated, if it is an ordinary metal, so it will soften, di ba? So lumalambot siya. That's why we need to treat it properly, because there is no forever in this kind of tools. So we need to maintain it correctly, maintain it righteously, so that it will last long. No. Okay, so that's one. So I see some welding jig or clamps using in some other different training institution, that where is I find it very untidy, because uh, some of student or trainees keep on tacking because they want to fix their material or their workpiece on the welding table or welding arm or jig. So that's why in long-term process, and in the long run, so the table, the arm, they were full of sputters. They are full of unwanted packings. So in the long run, so we'll just discard the arm or the table, then you will make another one. So in the purpose of this study of or this device that I'm making is to limit that. Okay, to make the welder or the trainee more efficient when they were using this kind of device or this kind of tools or equipment, di ba? Because it is very expensive to every time that we need to conduct a training, so we need to uh, purchase a new material to make a new jig, to make a new welding table, positioner, etc. just for the sake of a training. So this is the one uh, that will solve that problem. And of course, for us as trainer to discipline the trainee. Uh, so to impart to their mind and to their culture that when you are a welder, you need to be disciplined. Yeah? So you're not just sparking everywhere. You're not just stacking everywhere. So you need to be cleaned. You need to be tidy when you are using your area. And of course, this is a type of cabinet that you can put your PPEs, you can put your tools like grinder, your clamps, your jigs. So this is everywhere. This is not everywhere. I mean, this is uh, everything. All right, that's all. So let's go. Let's go. Many when we are just pulling it down, so we are just have a small talk. All right. So we'll put it here now. All right. So I will roll this one. So I will just stuck it in the core area of the nut so that it will hold steadily and of course to have a strong grip. All right. So I will just use A6011, A6010. I mean A6013. I mean just to uh, crack it here. So make sure it will not. Ouch! Make sure it will not bell. Ano? All right. Make sure it is still ayan, smooth to crack. Yeah. Yan. Like this. Yan. All right. Then another one here and here. So we're done. Okay, so I will just leave it like that, attacking like that. So for me to, when the thread is loosened up or cross-threaded, so I can replace a nut and bolt, then I can easily remove it. Okay, so I will just uh, make it equal. And so I will just cut this one and with the line, then we're finished. Then I will replace this bolt with a uh, longer bolt, so that it need to be fixed like this one, not like this one, because it will slip. Okay, so if we will clamp a uh, flat bar, so it will slip because it is already dead end here, so it will not continue to pressing down there. So we need to make a knot that will uh, push through like this one. So here, so that's why I will replace this one. So we will cut this bolt into a shorter one, so that we will put it here. Then I will make a dial, I think. This one. So I put it here. So the intention we need to put just a small piece of metal to turn this nut, so that the student or the trainee will not make an excessive force to tighten the nut or the bolt, because when we are over powering those turn, so the thread is damaged, will be damaged. So I will just put a small amount of piece here. So I think that is enough, right? Then we're good to go. Alright, alright. Alright, alright. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Ah, it's hot day. Then let's make a turntable. Let's make have fun. Let's make have fun. Let's make have fun. Maybe you're doing this right. Let's make have fun. Let's make have fun. We're doing this right. Let's make this fun. Wow, it's smooth. It's smooth, smooth. So let's follow it. This here. Let's make have fun. Let's make have fun. Let's make have fun. Let's make have fun. So let's make have fun. Let's make have fun. Let's make have fun. Oh, what happened? There is a spatter over there. Let's make fun. Let's make fun. When you are Kahit pinto lang naman ang buhay ko. Anong oras na? Anong oras na? Oh, diba? We're done. So painting dam. Hindi pa. Pa tayo magpipaint guys. Pag natapos na natin itong lahat-lahat. So nahirapan lang ako guys nung I've been a hard time to finish this project because some of parts I order it in overseas like China, Vietnam. So because some of parts are not available in the local market, but ayan, still this is very good, right? Ah, open. It's matigas. Okay. Okay. So, yan. The gap is good. So, we can paint this one already. So, meaning it is already finished. Right. So, cleaning na lang. done. It's done. Done. So this is it, guys. Yan. So the uh, this one is finished. Yan. So this is the yan, pivoting system niya. Yan. So it will turn 365 degrees. Yan. Then there is a dial, like I said a while ago. There is a dial here, so you can find it. So this is the 90 degrees. Yeah, 90 degrees. So you can find it like this one, and like this one. So of course, so you will ask. So it is moving. It is moving. So how about when you are practicing or doing your welding? So it might move. Okay. So I put a solution of over that. So I use a threaded Allen bolt, and so I put a nut here, then a hole, uh, and underside. So when you put this like this one, so you move it, and it is turning 365 degrees. So if you put a Allen bolt here, so I will use my right hand. Yeah. So I'm shaking that, guys. Uh, I'm I'm hungry. So, yan. As you can see, so you will see the bolt over there. So then, it will not move already. Yeah. So it is fixed in a degree or in a degree that you desired. So it is fixed because of this bolt. Then if you remove it and uh, you want a like a 45 degrees position, so you will find a 45-degree position there. Then you find, so there is another hole there, so you can interlock it already. And so you can lock it here, and then it is locked. Then it is locked. All right, then it is locked. So this is the angle finder, this one, and this is the dial. So I will put a number here like 180 and 90, 180, 90, 90, 180. So ganun. Then 45 degrees. So lalagyan ko I will put a number there so that we can find the desired angle that we need to be. Then of course here, so I will put a number also, a degree. So every hole have a corresponding degrees. So like for this one, this is 90 degrees. This is 45 degrees, 45 reverse. Then this one also 180 degrees. Then 90 degrees, 45 degrees, 45 degrees reverse. So that's it, guys. So this is the jig that I'm talking about. All right. So hope that this one will pass on a panel interview soon, or my study will still work and still approve this end of November. No, because I'm running out of time making this project. Hopefully it worked. All right. Okay. So that's it for now, guys. No. All right. So this is the arm. So there is also a corresponding hole here, so that we can find the desired angle that we want, diba? So this is the 0. So when we turn this one, right, this one, so we can find the desired uh, degrees. So this is just a prototype na po, but still you need to work it on, right? So for example, this is the 0, this is the 0, then this is the desired angle that we want. This is this is the 90, this is the 90, this is the 45 reverse, then of course the other side, diba? Yeah. So for example, yeah, so we want a degree of 90 degrees. So we just find the 0 here and the 90 there. Then we'll lock it here with the thread. And aside from this, of course, so to make it stable and it will not turn it, because the material being welded is heavy, like pipe, like plate welding, so it will turn when you're chipping uh, using a chipping hammer. So I will put a pin here. So this one, yeah, that is designed there. Then even the nut is loosened. Okay, loosen na siya. And it will not turn easily. Okay, so the position is still at 90 degrees angle. So that's the essence of this jig. All right. Okay, so we're done here, right? So now we will continue making this cabinet. All right. So this cabinet naman. Okay, so later on, because I will just rest a moment. So I will just show you what will be the cabinet will be. All right, and what will be the features of this cabinet. All right, so yan. So as you can see, this is a typical cabinet. Yan, a typical cabinet measured 80 height, that is 80 centimeter, and the width is 60, the opening, and the length is 65. All right, so this will stand as welding table and also a tool cabinet for welding only. All right, so what will be the features of this cabinet? So this cabinet will be everything you need in welding is here. So I will put a welding machine here. Yeah, the welding machine, the ventilation there, and the door, of course. And it is drawer type, but still there is a door. All right. Then here is this three compartment would be a tool or a compartment for I will just identify whether I put the PPEs here, or the power tools here, or the accessories there. Okay, so in welding, in shielded metal arc welding, we are using welding accessories like this one. Yeah, like this one. So welding cable, welding clamp, welding electrode holder. Yeah, so I will put it here. Then the accessories is maybe here or there or there. Then of course we are using PPEs. So we will put PPEs here. Then of course we are using grinder, chipping hammer, steel brush. Ano pa ba? So bench vise. So we can put, I think, here or there. Alright? So this is everything you need when you are practicing a welding. Then of course there is one another features of this. So of course, in welding, so we need a oven, di ba? So an oven, so I will put the oven here. Okay, the oven is here. Then I will just flip it here like this one. Then it will open. So the mechanism I used is this one. So I will put the oven here like this one. Electrode oven. Electrode oven. So the oven is there. Then this is closed. All right, that is closed. Then when I need to use the oven, so I will just grab this one. Then it will, using the hinges, it will flip like this one, like this one. Okay, like this one. Then the oven is hot. Okay, and of course there is a breaker over there, then a uh, compartment for wired to be connected on the main line. Then syempre, of course, we need to use a breaker and a outlet for the lighting system. There is a lighting system in here, and for the electrode oven, because electrode oven is electric. There's no yet solar electrode oven. All right. Then of course here I will put a this is the table. All right, the table. Then when you flip this over, this one, when you flip this over, okay, so you can see that this is a space. So the arm of the welding table will come out here to extract. Then you can perform the job. All right, so, like that. And aside from this is the table, so I will put a working table here, a jig. You can perform your grinding, you can perform your tacking, you can perform uh, your measuring or anything that in a welding job need to do. Okay, so the solution I made is, or I use is, I cut a 16 mm, no 16 mm, 316 mm plate, steel plate. Then I make a hole in it to make this a jig table. So when I need to prepare a plate welding or a pipe welding, so I need to use a jig. So to tack our material, so this jig will use. So we can put it over there. So there, any part of it. So just like that. Then of course, to make it fixed and stable, so I used jig, a clamp. I mean, so I have a clamp. Uh, Before I quench my hungriness, so let me show you the jig that I use. Yeah, okay. So I modified this jig, guys, just to fit, because I I I I search online. I cannot find this kind of jig, but in other countries, so I I see in YouTube the jig like this, but I cannot find where I can buy that one. So instead of waiting to see where, or to find where I can buy that material, so I just modify the F clamp into a jig clamp. Okay, I mean a table jig clamp, right? So what will gonna be happen is like this one. So when you are uh, using this one, so we'll just put it there like this. Okay, then bam, may clamp ka na, right? Then the other side, here, 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 Then you have a clamp already. Then on the other side, there, so there is a lock. No, there is a nut uh, uh, in it, but I will just show you how to be use it. This one, so like that one. Okay, then you will clamp the plate here. Okay, you will clamp the plate here. Then you will, yeah, you will higpit this one, right? So there is a, and then this is stable. This will be stable. Yeah. So that will be will be the idea, guys. So in pipe welding, so we can use this big clamp. This is 3 inches because we use a 6 inches diameter pipe. So 3 inches halfway. So we can clamp it in the center like this, pop, and of course here. Yeah, so we can clamp it here. So I'm sorry for the not steady, holding the camera. Also like that one. So we can put it either here on the other side, or here on the other side. So that is the purpose why I use a metal, sheet metal or plate metal to with a hole. So the other hole is still small, but I will just run another deal there. So that's it. That will be happen. That will be the case. Okay. So I have a jig. All right. Then because this is a thick metal, so we can perform welding here. We can perform uh, grinding using the jig, right? So because this is already a clamp for this material, right? So we can use it. Okay, so that's it. So this is have also a nut over here to be fastened, right? So that it will hold steadily. Yeah. So that's it. Right. So that's it for today's, guys. So I will just eat my lunch. Then after I eat my lunch, I will continue working on this cabinet. Okay. So I think I made already uh, 30% of the prototype is done. So hopefully this weekend I can finish this one 80%. Then on the next week I will uh, submit my paper for inspection or for demonstration. Ano po? So by the way, I just I forgot to mention the clamp that I need to use here. So this is the clamp that I need to put here. This clamp, so we can use it 45 degrees, 180 degrees, then we can turn it 360 degrees. So that's the beauty of this clamp. So we can, or I will put it there. Okay, so that's it, guys. Thank you very much for your uh, presence. Yan, especially to those who stayed in my live. Yan, you can share my videos, you can like, you can follow, you can subscribe. So there is no monetary requirement to subscribe in my channel. So maybe uh, in the future, so I can share my monetize salary or honorarium in this video, right? So because in the previous days or months I cannot uh, earn, or I'm not earning anymore, because I stopped making videos. I stopped uploading because of busy schedules, and hopefully in the next year, ano, so I can start over, and I can uh, make it religiously often to upload videos, right? So thank you very much, guys. So I'll just eat, and we'll come back later. So thank you very much for your presence. Shout out to my viewers, and shout out to all of you guys. So hope you still in a good mood, in a good day, in a good situation in every way. So thank you, thank you. God bless. Ingat palagi. Bye bye. So how will I end this?